Hiya, welcome to my channel. I'm the RC Hunter. Today we've got this to unbox, the FTX Canyon 4-wheel drive. It says 1/10 scale, but it's 1/10 XL, so really it's 1/8 scale rock crawler. Thank you to Motorsport for sending this out to me so quickly. This is absolute awesome. If you want to buy it or interested in any other RCs, please go to Motorsport UK, and they have lots and lots of different RCs, from planes to boats to cars to drones. Take a look, they have some special offers on and they're awesome. So right then, so the length of the vehicle is 560mm, the width is 318, so it's a pretty big vehicle. It's 99% ready to run. It's got the e-tronics EX2 Sports TX. It's got a waterproof brushed 40 amp crawler speed control, 13 pre-installed factory LED lights, metal gear steering servo, telescopic sliding universal center drive shafts, 3-speed automatic. It's scale side wheels, front and rear diff locks for both directional drive, roll cage. Pretty awesome. It's got a 60 Ti torque brush motor, and it comes with a 1800 mAh NiAm 72.4 battery, wall charger and ball bearings, and you need 8 AA batteries for your TX. So right then, let's get into it. Let's open the top and see what all this is about. Wow. Okay, wow. For starters, this is awesome. Let me just move that back there. See, you got your catalogue from FTX, full colour, tells you what they're doing at the moment. You also get the latest releases from FTX. You'll get the upgrades and accessories. Inside here you get the manual, tells you everything about it. Really cool, super awesome, really nice. What else do we get? You get a little universal plug, aerial attachment there, and this is the charger. And your charger. Pretty cool. It looks like it's got the Tamiya connector. So I'll put all them over there for now. If you can see that underneath, that's really cool. Wow, this is big. Oh, the suspension system, beautiful. It is really cool. So, this is where the TX lives for now. This suspension system's wicked. You can see, let me show you around it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is the sport version, TX. You're on off, you got your steering trims, fine tuning, you got your normal mode and power LEDs. Really cool. This is so awesome. It feels so nice. Other side, you can have, if you got rechargeable batteries in here, you can recharge them through this port here. This is super cool. So I've just turned the light off, and those are the back ones, and these are front ones. Super nice. So just a quick recap. This is from Motorsport UK. I shall leave a link in the description box below for you guys to have a scan and have a look. At the minute it's £160, which is well worth it. Stay tuned to my channel, The RC Hunter, and watch some really cool videos on this, doing some really cool rock crawling. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.